So Tosh just caught this walleye.
Tosh back here from 4-6 Uncharted. Today, me and my uncle go out to Wisconsin and do some multi-species fishing on the Mississippi River. Pierre, I'm fishing Pierre, up below the dam, way up river. It's with me and him jigging some plastics, throwing some worms out there, so we can catch. Thanks for listening.
So Tosh just caught this walleye jigging a plastic white Cabela's minnow. Right there. See this, Daosu? See what you're missing, Daosu?
I told 15.
15. If Tosh wanted to keep this, he could. All right.
Nice walleye.
Any words? Any words?
I love jigging.
So Tosh just hooked into a big fish. He is bending pole right here, dude. We don't know. Tosh's drum. Tosh is on fire, dude. I'm scucking. This is his second fish of the day. This is Tashi's first white bass. On a popper, dude. On a popper. So I don't know.